So tonight, if you like the content, press that like button and smash subscribe. Take a look at what's going on. Dale, what are we going to do tonight? What are we installing?
We are going to install lights, flashing lights,
Blinky lights.
blinky lights,
Laser jammers.
and
maybe a siren.
maybe
Maybe a siren.
could be.
Okay. Okay, did a bunch of time lapse. What's up, Dale? How we doing?
Well, the shirt's off, so that's not good.
Guns out, sun's out. All right, so we've got all of our sensor wires pulled for the TX and the RX for the front.
Yep.
And then we've got all of our wires pulled for the rear, for the RX and the TX in the rear. I've mounted the two RXs and I've got the TX up here. And I have, where's my license plate? Where is my license plate? Put it around here somewhere. I was walking around. Oh, there it is. So we got our, we have our green and white lights on the back of the car set up. May not be perfect, but Jimmy crack corn and we don't give a fuckish. But that's what we're on right now. We got to get, Dale's looking for wire. I left wire at home. I was like, Dale, you need anything? He's like, no. And then I got halfway here. I was like, I know I need wire. And I forgot it.
We need wire, and we need to pull the transmit cables from the ALP to passenger side.
That's easy.
Yep.
That's super easy. We got this. If we can get, if we can get wire to run this, I think we'll be set. Just remission reposo. Show we got here. So our license plate is on. Our ALPs are installed in the rear. Ooh, look at our lights. Lights. All of our wiring is run effectively down where it needs to go. Everything is locked in, hidden. Got it through the floorboard, and Dale is ready for me to pull.
There is, yes.
All right, we pull now. You ready?
Been ready.
All right. Oh, I wasn't recording. So, light wires, ALPs, and Dale over there screaming like a whore. Just for context here, we got a T-splitter on this. We're running our TX sensor and our RX sensors here for the ALPs, and of course we've got our nice little splash lights on here that we got to get hooked up as well. So I'm just connecting that T, and I'll get that zip tied and put away up in here so it doesn't rattle, bounce, and make a ton of noise. Some wiring shit going on here, eh?
Almost. Did I hear you just sneak out an A?
Well, or a B. That looks like an upside down A. Or maybe it's a V. Can't tell. It's like ball and ball. It's hard to tell the difference. Hey?
Hey, I went to...
Dale, what are we doing?
We're dry testing.
Dry testing. Is that like dry humping?
Kinda. Sorta.
Interference detection active.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm ready.
Marksman or ultralight behind.
So the rears are working.
The Rears are working.
and the fronts are working.
The fronts, we'll test them in a second. I'll just cycle this manually because it's faster.
Interference detection. Active. Marksman or ultralight. Ahead.
So it's working.
It's working. So I'm done. See you later.
What you doing, Dale? Switching?
I'm gonna run the switch for your lights, but the car keeps biting me.
It's hungry.
Power. Power.
That's laser detector going off. Has it got a reset?
Oh yeah, it does actually.
It's green.
Yeah.
Detection. Active. Dragon Eye. Ahead.
How's it say dragon?
All right.
We're all done here tonight. Did we get the lights done?
We got the lights done.
Laser jammers.
Laser jammers are done.
Siren.
No siren.
Close enough. Close enough. It's a lot to tackle, right?
It is. It's just a lot of patience, like tucking wires and poking stuff, and if you want it hidden, it's gotta.
And that siren's a brick, so we don't know where the hell we're going to install it.
Exactly.
And the box to control it is kind of
bulky. Very
bulky, so we may not do that.
Yeah.
It might just be. It might keep me out of jail too.
It could.
It could.
Potentially.
Well, that was a good night, brother. 2 beer night.
Awesome.
4 beer minimum.
Miller time.
Another time. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here at the ending. Just so everybody knows, we actually went out and tested today. I meant to take some video, but we got a Dragon's Eye. Went out and tested today with the Quadrifoglio, and the ALPs are working great on my car, not on Dale's. Dale's got some work to do, which I'm willing to help him, by the way. I'm gonna tell him to come over. I'm watching some football, got some stuff going on. Our seats for the 924 ship today, so we'll be getting that done. And I hope you enjoyed this video.